What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the New York Session Weekly Forex Analysis. You all know what we do here already. We do come here every weekend to break down the market and look for what the market will be doing. All right. So last week we analyzed gold and we analyzed US30 and also NASDAQ, which is what I trade, checking from my watch list here, which is what I've been trading for now, or what I am trading for now. All right. So we analyzed both these pair. Gold literally went on our favor. We analyzed NASDAQ, we traded NASDAQ, and it literally went on our favor. And also US30 here, and it went on our favor. So we took about 6 trades this week, and we did not lose anyone. All right. So now, what do we do? First of all, we jump all the way to the daily time frame. Checking from the daily time frame here, US30 is not giving us any move with this candlestick we are seeing here on this circle here, this one here. As you can see, US30 is not giving us any move in particular, but currently it is on a bullish move because we have a series of what? Higher high and a higher low, higher high and a higher low, higher high, a higher low, higher high and a higher low. Then we have a higher high again. Then we have this candle splash down, and also as you can see, a higher high, a higher low, higher low here, higher high, a higher low. And we currently have a higher high on this level, telling us that US30 is currently on a bullish move. But checking from the daily time frame, I'm not going to be plotting any key level because of what? We are not seeing any key level here on the daily time frame. But right now, I'm on the 4-hour currently. So what do? We mark up our key level after identifying the trend from the daily and also confirming it on the 4-hour. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, price is also bullish, giving us a series of what? Higher high and a higher low, higher high and a higher low, and also a higher high. What are we expecting? We'll have a higher lows here, but US30, from the look of things, US30 can still drop to this level, but we don't know if it's going to be dropping here or not. All right, we will just look for what the market will be doing. We are day traders and we take advantage of the market. All right, so right now, as you can see, we have a previous resistance zone here, which is a 4-hour previous resistance zone. So this is going to be a H4 key level. Then I'm going to leave it there, right? So now, do we have any other H4 key level? From the look of things here, as you guys can see, it is very clean that we have H4 key level here. So I'm going to leave it there and also change the color to H4 gray. Okay, beautiful. So this is it, guys. We have a H4 resistance, and also I'm going to mark up this level currently. Okay, like this. We also have a H4 support because of what? Where is it coming from? We have a support here, we have a support here, and also we still have a support here. So what do we do right now? We go to the 1-hour time frame, all right? So now, let me check the 4-hour time frame. Okay, now we're going back to the 1-hour time frame to plot more key levels, all right? So now, from the confirmation here, daily is bullish on US30 and also 4-hour is bullish, all right? So 1 hour, as you can see right now, 1 hour is also bullish, but it is also consolidating currently because it is moving in a sideways move, all right? So now, let me just arrange this key level real quick and continue, all right? So now, support is support and also a support, all right? So let me arrange this one real quick again. Because I love adjusting key level because when we go to the other time frame or the smaller time frame, you see that those key levels start getting bigger and bigger. So in order for us not to experience it like that, all we just have to do is to reduce the key level, right? But we'll make sure it is still respecting that current market condition, all right? So I'm going to have to clone it again. I'm going to have to clone this one. Do I have another key level here? Very, very clean. As we can see, I'm going to take it from here. All right, simple. Plot it carefully there. So we have a resistance, price broke it, respect this previous resistance and also drop, break it, pulls back to retest it, giving us a resistance, and also a resistance. Let me widen this thing so that you guys will be able to see it very, very clean. And as you can see here, as you guys see, guys, we have a resistance, and also a resistance, and that is where price is currently. So now, from the look of things here, it is very, very simple. Yeah. So either price break below this key level of 47,438.9, pullback retest, we look to short all the way to this key level of 47,000.86, or price break this key level above this key level of 47,678, pullback retest, then we look to long. It is very, very simple from the analysis here. So where do we go next? We jump down to the 30-minute time frame, and guys, make sure you keep adjusting your key level, but make sure it is still respecting the same key level, all right, the same level. All right, so you make sure you keep adjusting your lines, right? They are rectangle box. I'm just calling it key level because they are respecting key levels. I'll reduce it again. Okay, and I'll make sure it's respecting that level, the resistance, 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 and also a resistance, all right? So I'm going to reduce this one a little bit, just like this, all right? So now, do we still have any other K level here that we should be plotting on the 30-minute time frame, all right? So now, if you can check from the 30-minute time frame here, what do we have here? We still have another strong K level here, but I'm going to be using horizontal ray on here, right? So this is going to be my M30 what key level. So guys, it is December already. From the look of things, the market may be slow, yeah. What we just do, we are executing on a bigger time frame before the M30 and also the H1, which is where our entry time frame is. But right now, we decide to scale down to the M5 or M15, all right? That is not for anything. We refined our strategy because we want to be seeing more setup. And if the market is slow, no matter what, we are going to be seeing more setup, all right? So as you can see right now, guys, so as you can see, resistance to resistance. So if I break this level, price may literally break this level, respect here, pull back a little bit, drop, break it, respect here, pull back a little bit, drop. And that is the reason why we are adding more key levels there, all right? So now, so that anytime price gets to that level, it is going to respect it. Very, very simple, right? So guys, this strategy is very, very simple. You can use this strategy to day trade, you can use it to swing trade, and you can also use it to scalp, all right? So now, so we have a resistance zone here. If price break this level, as you can see, it may pull back, retest, we buy, or break this level, pull back, retest, we also buy, all right? So US30 is bullish. Right now on the 30-minute time frame, the what is it called? And the 1 hour time frame, price is moving sideways. So price may drop all the way to this level before heading to the upside, and price may not drop all the way to that level before heading to the upside. So guys, this is our key levels, and this is what I'm seeing here currently on the what on the 15-minute time frame. So on the 15-minute time frame, do we have other key levels? Guys, I just explained to you guys that the reason why we are going down to this smaller time frame is because the market is on like it's end of the year already, and every end of the year we do experience slow move, all right? So that is why I am scaling down to the smaller time frame so that we'll be able to see more setup, at least 3 setups in a week, all right? So now, as you can see, a support, a support, a support, a support, price broke, turn back, turn it into a resistance, price broke it again, push up, gave us a support, a support, 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 break it again, push back, gave us a resistance, drop, break it again, push back, gave us a support, all right? So now, I saw this market from here. I was supposed to execute buy from this level and also target a quick 1 to 3 around here, but the market is closing already, and I do not want to be trading by that time, all right? If not, I would have execute the trade from here on the 30-minute time frame. My stop loss would have been 50-point stop loss, and I target a minimum of 1 to 3 real quick, and we are good to go, all right? So guys, this is what I'm expecting from the market, but first I'm going to be staying on the bigger time frame, which is the M30 or the M1, to see what the direction that the market is going before we execute trade, all right? So now let's check the NASDAQ real quick and what NASDAQ is doing. We're going to jump to a daily time frame and see, guys, currently NASDAQ is bearish, all right? Now, do not quote me wrong. When you go to the weekly time frame, you see that NASDAQ is always bullish. Even on the daily time frame, you see that NASDAQ is always bullish, all right? So now, on here, we have a previous resistance zone. It is obvious there, all right? We have a previous resistance zone and a D. We have a resistance, and right now, price broke it already. What are we saying? Price should head down to that level, right? We don't know if price is going to be coming there. All we just have to do is to do our top-down analysis and also plot our key level, get out, and also plot our key level. Then we'll see what market will be doing, all right? So now, on here, we have this key level here. It is very, very simple, as you can see. So that key level, price broke it already. I also took a sell from there, all right? H4 key level. So price broke it, and as you can see, pull back to retest, and it's very, very simple and beautiful, all right? Let me see if we have a trend line coming all the way from here. So this, let's say this is the first touch. We'll have the second touch. and just like this. So let's see, do I put it here? No. So I'm going to put it here. This will be the first touch and this will be the second touch, and right now we may expect the third touch around this level. Then price may bounce and start heading to the upside and may not come down to this daily previous resistance of 25,200, right? So now let's continue looking for key level, right? So I'm going to plot drop it here to this previous place of which I took trade. Market was closing around that level, but I just decided to place a trade around there and target a quick one to trade, and I am out. Right, so this is a one to okay. So this is the H1 key level. So let's plot our key level, guys. So what do we have here? We have a resistance zone, very clean. The resistance. I'm going to change that color to H1 yellow. Okay, I'm also going to clone this one. I'm still seeing another key level here. Extend to this level. Okay, so it was a resistance, broke, turn into a support, support here, support here. Price broke it again, turn it into a resistance, and also price dropped, right? And right now price is dropping. We don't know if it will continue dropping for the coming month, for the coming week, or it will be heading to the upside for the coming week, all right? We don't know what price will be doing. So all we just have to do is to plot a key level. Um, this is it, right? So so as you can see right now, we have a support here. So price may literally drop to this level just like this, retest and start heading to the upside, or price may break it, pull back, retest and start heading to the downside. We don't know what price is going to do unless the market opened, right? So that's what I'm seeing here on NASDAQ currently. Yeah, so either NASDAQ drop, break this level, pulls back, and we'll look for a selling opportunity, or NASDAQ gets to this level, then pull back, and we'll look for a buying opportunity. If not, that is what I'm seeing on NASDAQ currently. And do we have other important key level here that we should pay attention to? Now, I am going to identify this key level as our strong key level. Yeah, this key level is going to be a strong key level, and it may also be a POI. Okay, if you're asking why, when price start heading to the upside, price may break it just like this, pullback, retest, and boom. We'll look for a buying opportunity, and that is what I am seeing right now on NASDAQ. Checking from the 15-minute time frame. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So this is what I'm seeing on NASDAQ, guys. Okay, let's say that's another support 22 and 15. So we have a support here, and price break it again. Right now, as you can see, retest it, turn it into a support there. So right now, either price break it below, pull back, retest, I will look for a short opportunity, or price should break this key level, pull back, retest, then I look for a long opportunity. Yeah, but the overall opportunity we are seeing here is sell, right? Because NASDAQ is currently on a bearish move, and as you can see, we have a series of lower low and a lower high, lower low and a lower high, of which I execute my trade from this level. Yeah, so as you can see, it was a support here. Yeah, so it was a support, price broke it, pulls back, retest. Then what do I do? After this week rejection, I execute my trade with my stop loss. My stop loss was 25 points. Yeah, I'll leave it there. 25 point. Yeah, so it was 25 point, and I target a minimum of 1 to 3 real quick. It was a fast execution, right? It was a 3 candlestick that hit my take profit. So 1, 2, and it was 2. Yeah, so the first one, this is where I entered from, and this is the first candle, second candle, and the third one. So it's entered, like I entered from there, and I look forward. I look for a 1 to 3 take profit, and that is what I'm seeing here in the market currently. So now, guys, let's check gold and see what gold is doing. I'm going to be snappy. We spent around 14 minutes, going to 15 minutes here. So right now, let's check from the daily time frame and see. So on the daily time frame, gold is currently on a bullish move, right? So now on that bullish move, as you can see, gold decided to drop at this level. Yeah, decided to drop just like this. And right now we are having this bullish candle. Looking at the upside, that is telling us that gold may still go up and gold may not go up anymore. All right. So either way, we are day traders. We look for a quick short, a buy, or a sell real quick, and we are out. All right. So I'm gonna. This is another key level. This is our first key level here. Our resistance zone. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to identify it as a daily resistance key level, which is blue, and also this is a daily support key level right now. The daily support key level right now. This is it. All right. So now let's check the H4 time frame real quick, right, and see what the market is currently doing. All right. So now I'm going to bring out this key level, reduce the level a little bit so that it won't be that big. Okay. So we are going to reduce this one also, just like this. So guys, this analysis, this strategy I'm using is very, very simple. And trust me, it is 85% win rate. Not just me that confirm it as a 25% or confirm it as a 25% win rate, but a lot of my students has also confirmed it, which means if we take 100 trade, we will lose 15 and win 85%. All right. So now let's check the H4K level. Right. So now we have a H4 resistance. We have a resistance here, which is telling us that if price get to this level, it may break pullback retest with long. Very, very simple. So a break and retest happen very, very well on gold. That is one thing I want you guys to keep in mind. Gold do give us a simple break and retest a lot, right? So as you can see, it was a support, break, pulls back, retest, drop, all right? So let's see, let's analyze, let's continue analyzing, guys. And the analysis I'm doing here is what I'm going to be holding for the coming week, all right? So now, and I'm also going to be plotting another key level at this double top neckline break. So if price is heading to the upside, just know that price may head to the upside and respect that level, which is the H4 neckline key level. Yeah. So I'm going to identify that one as a neckline key level. So right now, what I'm expecting is either price break this key level, pull back, retest I long, break this key level, pull back, retest I long. And when price gets to this level, I will be careful because it may come and respect this neckline and start dropping just like this. As you can see from the line, it's even clear. Right, so let's see if we have more key level. Okay, now I'm seeing another key level here. Okay, so as you can see, we'll have a support, price broke it, pullback, turn it into a resistance, broke it again, resistance, and right now currently a support, right? So now let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see what price is currently doing. And yeah, so that's to say if price break this level, just like the pullback, we look for a short opportunity. It is very, very clean, but let's just be patient and do a clean analysis, all right? Because if your analysis is dirty, you're going to be seeing the dirty trades, all right? You won't see any profitable trade like that if you have a dirty analysis. So I'm going to adjust these things like this. Okay, I'm going to adjust it to fit the market. Okay, so as you can see, a support, resistance, and also a resistance and resistance. This one here, they are not useful anymore. So this is the current one that we should pay attention to, right? So now, am I seeing any other key level on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour time frame? No. Let's jump to the 30-minute time frame and see if we have a strong key level. I'll reduce this one just like this. Okay, and also okay, beautiful. So let's see, do we have any other key level, guys? Starting from here like this, from the back, we'll have a resistance, support, and also a support here. So I'm also going to leave it like this, right? And M30 key level. And okay, let me clone this one. Then we also have another M30 key level. So guys, as you can see from there, that one was a resistance to resistance, resistance. So price broke it again, resistance, broke it, support, broke it again, resistance. All right. So now I'm not seeing anything too crazy here. And what I'm seeing is very, very simple. Yeah. So if at all price respect this key level, start dropping, then you should break this key level, pull back, retest, then I short. Very, very, very simple. All right. And where I'm going to be looking for long is that I will be waiting for price to also take out this level, pull back, retest, then I also long around here. It's very, very simple. And as you guys can see, it's a simple one, all right? So let's say this is another strong key level that we should pay attention to. Okay, this is it, just like this. And yes, that's the key level I'm seeing here, guys. And this is what I'm seeing from gold right now. Either price break below this key level, pullback retest, I short, or price break below this key level, pullback retest, I long. And this is what I'm going to be expecting from the market. And if you learn anything from what I just taught you guys here, all I'm asking from you is to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new video. Other than that, guys, peace.